name is Mike. I'm from Oneida, New York. I had LeafFilter. I went to the state fair in New York and went to a LeafFilter booth. I was interested in LeafFilter for a long time, and I finally set up to have somebody come out to the house. The guy came out to the house when he was supposed to, arrived on time, and the process was pretty easy. He gave me a really good deal. But what I would really like to talk about is the installer who came out, and actually they ran a special thing for me. I can't remember what they called it, but they said I had to be ready at a moment's notice to have somebody install. And I did, but it turned out when they scheduled the install, it was like 2 days later. So everything was really quick. I went to the fair on Sunday, the guy came out Monday, and I was getting my gutters installed Wednesday. But when the guy Vince came out with the installer, he was so professional and really took a lot of pride in his work. He didn't like the color we chose for our house. He thought it would clash too much. So he convinced us, he showed us the different colors, up against our house. And he told us that he thinks this other color would be better, which turned out to be the beige, I think is called. And I'm so glad he did. It looks so much better. But the other thing that Vince did is he only had the product color that we chose. And he called up to the warehouse because he came a little bit late in the day. He called up the warehouse and made sure they put it aside because the warehouse was like 2 hours away. So he had him put it inside so he could get to it, so he could come back the next day and install it. And he did that. He showed up, and installation was very quick and very easy. And I'm so glad that we have LeafFilter installed in our house now. We have a big black maple tree, and it's south of our house, and it towers way over our house. Our house is a ranch-style house, and when the south wind blows in the fall, knocks off all the leaves, and they literally go all over our yard and around our house and over our house and in the gutters. And now they're not going to go in the gutters because now I have LeafFilter, and I don't have to go back up on the ladder to take leaves out every year or twice a year as it used to be. Because in the springtime, that same walnut tree puts out a bunch of these, the seeds and stuff for germination and pollen and all that stuff comes out, and that's even worse than the leaves sometimes. And then I don't have to worry about that either because that gets all over the place. I'm just overall really, really happy with the installation. The quote that I got was a fair price, and I couldn't be happier with really the LeafFilter product right now.